Holiday weekend, and here's a look outside Lake Travis. I'm sure going to be a popular destination for this holiday weekend, where right now just waking up to some clouds. We saw the storms that rolled on through, had quite a bit of lightning out there late last night. Temperatures now lower 70s. We're off to a little bit of a cooler start thanks to this rain cooled air this morning compared to yesterday morning. Winds currently light out of the south, and notice we're even seeing our dew points at least drop briefly into the 60s, but today is going to be another hot and humid day. Currently, most of us have dried things out since last night's thunderstorms. The last little bit of rain still exiting parts of Caldwell County. You're still holding on to some light showers out near the Luling area, San Marcos, so you've since dried things out. And the I-35 corridor now drying things out just in time for that morning commute. We'll continue to watch for this cluster of storms track farther off to the south. In the meantime, we will be drier for today. Still going to be feeling humid though. Still going to be in that tropical range for humidity. Man, we felt that quick comeback of it yesterday, and today is going to remain hot. It's going to remain sticky. We'll see that sunshine return once these clouds clear out with the partly cloudy sky for your Friday. Here we go, heading through the day. If you have plans to maybe head out and about, if you're hitting the roads for some holiday travel, really shouldn't have too many issues here locally. We'll be looking at some clouds filling back in tonight. Your Saturday morning off to another dry start as we kick off the holiday weekend. Maybe you have plans to head out on the boat, head to a pool for tomorrow for your Memorial Day weekend, and tomorrow will be a dry day. Sunday, we start to see some chances for some isolated showers and storms. So this is by Sunday morning, could be waking up to some drizzle. Notice that those chances are going to be pretty limited. So even Sunday, if you have plans that day, really shouldn't have too many issues. I do think maybe an isolated shower or storm by the afternoon. Most of us, though, will remain rain-free today, tomorrow, and Sunday. It's Monday that we start to see that change. Highs today, middle and upper 90s is where we're headed. Saturday, very similar. We're back to around 99 degrees. Yesterday, by the way, we hit 99 degrees. That actually broke a record. It was a hot one yesterday. And Saturday, we could get very close to the triple digits in spots. Notice the I-35 corridor, 96 from Georgetown down through areas like Wimberley for tomorrow. Kicking off the day for Memorial Day. Again, Friday dry, Saturday dry, Sunday mainly dry. Memorial Day, even to start, could be featuring some spotty showers and thunderstorms across the area. I do think we'll see some dry time in the mix. It's not going to be a washout for your Memorial Day plans, but by Monday evening, I'm anticipating what should be our highest chance for showers and storms out of the holiday weekend. So it won't be until really later on in the day that we'll start to see this cold front move through the area. This will bring us a line of some rain, some thunderstorms. We may have to watch out for the potential of some stronger storms as well. And then we'll start to push south of our area by Tuesday, but kind of linger near our area, near enough at least to produce more showers and storms as we head into next week. So rainfall totals next 7 days, we're looking at anywhere from a ½ an inch farther south to up to about 2 inches for some of those areas up towards the hill country in our northern zones. A nice drink of water on the way. We like to see it for this time of year. Hopefully should continue to help out with our drought conditions. 70 forecast, front moves through, 50% chance for some scattered storms. Behind the front, we will be looking at a little bit of a cool down. It's been a while since we've seen highs in the 80s, so we'll take it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, back to seasonable levels with daily rounds of spotty showers and storms.
Not that much rain, at least in Austin.
Yeah, I mean, I-35 corridor, a lot of us only picked up on a couple tenths of an inch here and there. Is really the hill country that had quite a bit of some heavy rains and flood advisories even overnight from that cluster of storms that rolled through, and it was a loud cluster at that. Some of you may have even woken up from some of the storms, the lightning, the thunder. We're now dry. That has now since diminished. All that activity is pushed out to the southeast. The last little bit of it fizzled out just to the south and east of San Antonio, and that's going to leave us with a drier forecast across the state as we enter today. Big time travel day today. Really for the next, I would say, few days, we're looking pretty dry. It's not until about Memorial Day that we will start to see the return of some higher, much higher rain and thunderstorm chances thanks to another cold front that'll be passing through. We're back with the heat and humidity though. Once those storms kind of brought us a brief cool down this morning, we felt some of that rain cooled air. Here we go. Those temperatures right back up into the low to middle 80s. We'll be heading into the middle 90s for this afternoon. A good amount of sunshine to take us right through the remainder of your Friday if you're kicking off your holiday weekend a little bit early. Won't be too bad, but again, hot and humid. Those heat index values right back up into the triple digits with that high temperature of around 97 degrees. We will be looking at drier weather continuing today, tomorrow, humid weather at that as well. Again, that storm chance really starts to ramp up for your Memorial Day as we'll be tracking a cold front working its way through the area. I'll have the timing of that coming up.
Cannot wait. Casey, thank you.